Handstand push-up, pike, feet elevated. The pike handstand push-up is a gymnastics bent arm pressing movement useful as a progression towards strict handstand push-ups. The pike handstand push-up can be made more accessible by lowering the feet, but the aim is to work to a 90-degree hip angle at the top of the press. Start by sitting on the floor with the feet in line with the elevated surface you are using. A box, a chair, or even a barbell in a rack can be used to elevate the feet. Sit up straight and place your hands on the floor beside your hips. This is where you will walk the hands into when setting up for the pike handstand. The hand position is critical to the overhead pressing technique, so it's important to make sure this is correct. The hand position assumes that the legs are straight during the repetitions. If you bend the knees, the shape and alignment will be different and the hands will be in the wrong position, so keep the legs straight. Stand up and place the hands on the floor while you position your feet on top of the elevated surface. Walk the hands into the position you found while seated on the floor. Allow the hips to anteriorly rotate to create a 90 degree of hip flexion and to stack the hips above the shoulders, elbows and wrists. Push your head through the arms. Imagine the anterior shoulders are like earmuffs that are covering your ears. Make sure the elbows are locked, the scapulars are elevated and the shoulder angle is open. This is the shape you are aiming for at the top of each repetition. Initiate the eccentric movement by moving the shoulders forward. You want to load the shoulders before you start to bend the elbows. Once the shoulders are above the knuckles, begin to bend the elbows and continue to move the shoulders both forward and down. At the bottom of the press, you want to create a triangular shape with the hands and the head placed at each point of the triangle. Notice how the elbows stay stacked vertically above the wrists. The top of the head must lightly touch the floor at the bottom of each rep. From here, you want to push into the floor nice and hard, extend the elbows and open the shoulders simultaneously to return to the top of the pike push-up. Again, make sure you push the head through the hole and open the shoulders at the top of the press.